Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've seen a message on your iPhone saying passcode expired or your passcode has expired, please enter a new passcode. You might be wondering why this is happening. This message typically appears when your device is managed by an organization, like a school or company, that enforces passcode expiration policies for security reasons. It can also appear if you're using an older iOS version that requires periodic passcode changes. Either way, it can be annoying when you just want to get into your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 effective ways to fix the iPhone passcode expired issue and regain access to your device. The first and simplest solution is to update your passcode directly through the Settings app. When the passcode expired message appears, you'll usually be given the option to change it on the spot. Simply tap Continue or Change Passcode. When prompted, then enter your current passcode. After that, you'll be asked to enter and verify a new 6-digit or 4-digit passcode of your choice. Once you confirm the new passcode, the expiration message will clear and you'll regain full access to your iPhone. Method 2 is a simple force restart, which can often resolve this issue. To perform a force restart on most modern iPhones with Face ID, quickly press and release the volume up button, the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once your iPhone reboots, try unlocking it again. If the message no longer appears, you're all set. If it does, move on to the next solution. Solution 3 is to update your iPhone. If your iPhone is running an outdated version of iOS, go to Settings, then General, then tap Software Update. If a newer version of iOS is available, like iOS 26 or the latest update, tap Download and Install. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery life before starting the update. Solution 4 is to erase iPhone via iCloud. If the passcode expired message is preventing you from accessing your device and you've forgotten your current passcode, you can erase your iPhone remotely using iCloud. Open a browser on any device and go to iCloud.com, then sign in with your Apple ID credentials. Then select your device from the list of all your connected devices. Click Erase iPhone, and then confirm your choice. Your iPhone will begin wiping all data and settings, including the expired passcode. Once the erase is complete, your iPhone will restart at the Hello Setup screen, ready to be set up as new. You can then restore your data from an iCloud backup and set a brand new passcode. If none of the previous methods work, or if you've forgotten your passcode entirely and can't access your device, the most reliable and universally effective solution is to use PassFab iPhone Unlock. This professional tool is specifically designed to remove screen locks, forgotten passcodes, and even iCloud activation locks, making it the perfect solution for this situation. First, download and install the software on your computer using the link in the video description below. Once installed, launch the program and select the Unlock iOS screen option from the main menu. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. The software will provide clear, step-by-step visual instructions to help you put your iPhone into recovery mode. For most modern iPhones, this involves quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the side button until the recovery screen appears. Once your device is detected, click Download to obtain the latest matching firmware package for your iPhone model. After the download is complete, click Start to Remove to begin the unlocking process. Within a few minutes, the software will completely erase your iPhone, remove the expired passcode, and reinstall the system. Your iPhone will restart at the Hello Setup screen, fully unlocked and ready to be set up as a brand new device or restored from a backup. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more helpful tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.